everyone. Welcome to another session of Backstage. Hey guys, I think we had a bit of technical difficulties. Sorry about that. Can you guys confirm you can hear me? Can you confirm? Is there no voice?
It's gonna take a while for them to
Yeah?
see because of the latency.
Okay, sure.
So it will take a while to appear.
Test. We good?
Okay, we're good.
Perfect.
All right, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. Obviously, we spend a lot of our resources and tech capabilities on our product. So on this side, I think we need to bump it up later. But yeah, let's go back to today's topic. I think back to what I was mentioning. We do this every month. The goal is to, first of all, tell you what we did this month on the product side. What are some of the exciting updates we have, the new product we delivered, and also the ongoing events, the promotions, as well as I try to bring a guest with me. This time is Joseph from our BD team. And I don't know if you guys heard his self-intro.
I can do again.
Do it again.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Joseph from our BDSM team, according to Ben. BDSM it stands for Business Development Sales Marketing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not the weird thing that you're thinking of. Yeah. So you guys may not know me. However, I'm the one who basically managed the crypto influencers with the rest of the teammates. So our team is pretty popular with the crypto influencers. Many of the crypto influencers love Bybit. So today I'm here, invited by Ben. Very grateful, very excited to share with you guys some of the product updates that we have.
We'll do some shout outs.
Oh, and before we begin, please like and share our video and share the link with your friends so that they can also tune in and win some prizes that's upcoming as well in our upcoming campaigns.
So today we're gonna do things a little bit different. Previously, we always try to answer some of the questions at the very end. But we did collect a bunch of really good questions since I think a few days ago, and we're gonna try to answer to some of them. And of course, towards the end, we're also gonna have an AMA to answer the questions being asked during this whole podcast, during this whole show, right?
Yeah.
So the first question I have is asked by Ivan about what's next for Bybit. Yeah, we already have derivatives, spot, earn, Web3, copy trading. What's next? To be honest, we really follow the industry. I think if the industry towards develop more into Web3, I think we need to put more manpower and really present the world a gateway to Web3. So although we have the Web3 of Bybit now, but we are doing a revamp. And we're trying to deliver the Bybit completely self-custodied wallet solutions. That means it's a completely decentralized. Clients have their own control over their own seed. So we're working on MPC solutions, AA wallet, and a bunch of purely decentralized products. And how to make it as easy as possible to navigate Web3. And this is one of the major directions where we're heading towards. I think recently, especially during the bear market, a lot of clients have been requesting about Forex. This is one of the directions we are exploring. We're trying to gain license in different jurisdictions that allows us to offer that type of CFD Forex product. I think there's going to be some new development coming soon, very soon. But as you all know, we already support MT4. But purely on crypto pairs. We are working on our MT5, MetaQuote 5. Once that's released, maybe we'll include some crypto pairs with the appropriate license along with that. So stay tuned for that, okay?
And just to add on, Bybit MT4 has the smallest spread on Bitcoin. Compared to any other MT4s across any other brokers, Bybit's is 50 cents, right, Ben? Like some other brokers, there's like $200, $300 spread during the volatile times, but the best. So come to Bybit MT4. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. So the second question is, will Bybit consider listing options for more altcoins from Altcoin Explorer?
Yeah, I think we previously had Solana, and during the whole crisis, we delisted because there was a liquidity crunch. I think if there's more need, the option team will definitely put more of the efforts into op pairs. So I'll pass that into the option team for sure. as long as we can find liquidity, we'll list the option pairs. There's no problem. Yeah.
Yeah. And the third question from Bybit Billionaire. Is that yourself, Ben?
No. Bybit. That's not me. I'm Bybit.
The third question is, what new features can we expect from Bybit next year?
Man, that's the big question. There's going to be a lot more new features coming out, I think. I think one of the major things Bybit is working on is to support prime brokers, exchange brokers. So these type of system designed for brokers, basically, or local exchanges we are developing, so they can leverage the Bybit product and liquidity to offer to their local areas. And I think what's really exciting in 2024 is the whole Web3 development. This is something we're going to put a lot more efforts into and present the whole world a new Bybit Web3, like what I just described. So this is something I think is going to be extremely, exciting. Yeah.
Yeah, and the next question is actually something I myself is pretty curious as well from our crypto pioneer. Other than Launchpad, Bybit Earn, and etc., will Bybit be releasing more ways to use Mantle on the platform, such as fee discounts?
Yeah, so this has been an ongoing topic. Mantle, it's a layer 2 started by BitDAO, which Bybit supported, right? So a lot of people do see the correlation between Mantle and Bybit. But the two team runs completely independently. And, I think layer 2 has got a lot more opportunities now. Even recent news, there are a lot more players trying to launch their own layer 2s and focus more on layer 2s. I think that's going to be quite exciting. So currently we support Mantle in terms of launch pool, Launchpad. Fees is one of the discussions because our fees is quite low already. If we incorporate, it would affect the whole Bybit overall system, and this is something we're still looking into. But definitely we're working with Mantle Network a lot in terms of working with projects together. And there recently had been a few projects launched on Mantle and also released on Bybit. And I think next thing is the IDO, the Web3 part is going to be quite exciting. So I think that's something to look forward to as well.
Yeah. And the last question is from our Moon Mission X. When can we expect Bybit card to be available outside of EU?
I think Asia is very soon. We're talking about this month. We'll probably most likely enable Asia in this month, and then we're still looking into other jurisdictions for the card issuers and the banks that's willing to issue the cards. So I think probably the next one will be CIS region. We're working hard on that. Yeah.
Oh, we just received one more question, Ben.
Okay.
When will Bybit have our own stablecoin? Yeah.
Oh, I don't think stablecoin is something we. we look forward, or there's a lot of stablecoin players, and Singapore and all these like Hong Kong already released a framework to release the government-backed, central currency-backed stablecoins, and there's a few more coming up. I think the PayPal PUSD is coming up, the Ondo USDY is coming up, which we are as exchange will adopt as long as there's user demanding it.
Yeah.
But I don't think there is a need for Bybit to launch our own stablecoin. So I think for now we will hold that thought for now, and we'll see how the future goes. Okay.
Yeah. Great. So now we will proceed to our demo earn and some of the agenda that we have for today. So we will begin with our product updates, then followed by the event updates. Then we'll finish it off with the last session of AMA. So feel free to accumulate all the questions that you have, and we can just spam it on Ben today.
Okay. So got some really cool product, guys. One of the latest development in Bybit Earn, we launched a double win. This is the product leveraging on option, and clients can use it to trade on volatilities. So I have Max here who's gonna give us a demo. Okay, Max, you ready? He's gonna show the screen what it looks like. So if you log into Bybit, maybe show them where it is first. if you go to the homepage and then go to the the earn, earn, and then double win, right? You can see the product here. The reason it's called double win is that as long as the price of Bitcoin or any token you want to trade, I think currently we support what? Bitcoin and Ethereum? XRP and Solana, right? So any of those pairs, if you look at the little chart on the right, if when the contract expires, you can buy it within the time frame of how many hours, or within 24 hours. If the price falls into those green areas of those two on the side, so as long as the price is fluctuating, goes up and down, doesn't matter, you win. The worst case is the price is not moving. It sticks in the middle. That means you will lose. So you can see lose and win, right? So if the price of Bitcoin does not move, or in this case, Ethereum does not move up and down, $50, you will lose. But if it moves, you will win. And if it moves a lot more, the further it deviates to your initial price, right, the profit is higher. So it doesn't matter it goes up and down, as long as price is moving and is deviating from your original price at the expiration date, you win. And this is why it's called a double win.
So Ben, would this product be good when Bitcoin ETF is coming out, and I want to bet that the Bitcoin price will move more than $400, for example?
Can you go back? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we haven't finished. Yeah.
So since I'm expecting Bitcoin price to move when Bitcoin ETF result comes out, I buy this product, and for sure there will be volatility.
Yes, you could do that, but a lot of people think ETF coming out would result a price spike, an increase, right? Then they can just do a long order. But when there's uncertainties, you don't know the price is going to move up and down.
FOMC.
But you know that the price is going to move. Right? Like recently the price has been moving, and nobody knows exactly why, right? There was a fake news about ETF being the proven error and got crazy excited, but then price has been moving, and you don't know why. But as long as this product is really good to bet on the the volatility. Yeah. Right. So as long as there's volatility, you win. The bigger the better, whether it's higher or lower, right? So currently, this is the product available, and I really think you guys can play around. I think we do have a max limit for now. I think $500 max, right? That you can place, right? Yeah, and but you can play around this product and see. Essentially, it's two option product, right? Yeah. And basically, on expiration, one of your options would win. So that's kind of the logic behind this product.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So our next topic is our wealth management fund, which
let's go back to the topic first. Yeah. I want to see what are the topics. Okay, so we now do have a new 7 days plan on the wealth management fund pool. So the wealth management fund pool product, we are working with I think 5 or 6 different crypto institutions, which if you go to the TNC, I think we probably disclose their names. What happened is they will trade the fund that's been allocated into this account within Bybit. They are not allowed to leave Bybit. They are trade between the perps and the option and the spot, whether they use a basis trading or they earn the funding fee strategy. But with their strategy, they will earn a yield. With this yield, we will distribute to our clients, right? So recently there has been now a 7-day product, right? Yeah. So previously it was all longer? It was all about 30 days. So now you can actually enjoy this with the 7 days. So it's a less time locked on your fund, but it's more flexibilities, right? So you can now instead of 30, you can choose.
I think for VIPs, it's non-locked.
Oh, for VIP it's not locked.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want to become VIP, look at our VIP program as well. So ideally what you want to do is qualify to become a VIP and put your money into this into Bybit Wealth Management and let the money compound. The seventh wonder of the world. The eighth.
Yeah.
The eighth. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Go back to the main topic. I want to answer a few questions. I see some questions online. From Stephen OTY, he's asking about the double wing, whether he can change the price target or reduce the minimum amount. So we will give more and more flexible abilities as the product develops. Currently, it's preset like the expiration date. I think it's always 24 hours. I think soon they will allow you to set your own timers, basically 48, 2 days, 7 days, or 1 week even, right? So there's a higher chance of winning. And also, I think this feedback will pass to the team. For now, all these are preset factors. You can only choose a few preset settings, right? But as we develop this product, we'll give more and more flexibilities, okay? All right, so what's the next topic? We have now a new auto saving feature, okay?
Best.
A new auto saving feature. I don't even know what that is. Let's show it. Okay, Max, what is this new auto saving feature?
Yeah, when your money in your fund account, they will go to the flexible saving automatically.
Automatically.
Yeah, when
Yeah.
you turn on it.
Oh, well, how do you turn it on?
Yeah.
So what Max just told me is if you have money in your funding account, it will just automatically go to your flexible savings, meaning that you will automatically start to earn yield and interest on your capital that's parked on Bybit funding account.
Yeah.
Now, when you want to trade, you need to make a transfer from funding to the unified trading account. So it's not affecting your trading activities, right? Because it's flexible, you can take it out anytime you want. And he's showing you all of this rate currently we are offering. Wow, USDT 8%
Wow.
on flexible terms. So if you have money USDT sitting on Bybit, not doing nothing, you earn 8%. And if you need it, you just take it out. It's flexible. So how do they turn it on? How do they turn this on?
Homepage.
You go to the home page, and you go to what? Bybit savings? Finance earns Bybit savings, okay. Manage your token, manage your coins, and you turn that, you manage all, right? Yeah, you turn that on, and then you start earning a yield, okay?
Well, I think 8% APY is higher than my PNL in the last 2 years.
Yeah, you should stop trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, it's a pretty awesome deal. I think it's a pretty cool features, and also on top of it, there's some people using the Bybit card. If you use your Bybit card, you can also turn this on, meaning that the money that's in your card are earning a yield. Max is showing you when you are not spending it. So when you swipe the card, when you purchase something, the money gets taken out, and then all the rest are still generating that yield for you. Okay. Okay. Someone is asking online, are there any minimum amount to participate the new auto saving? This is from I don't know how. Samuel, right? Samuel Chukwa. Okay. Max, is there any minimum amount?
Depends on each coin.
Depends on each coin.
Yeah, each coin has their own the lower.
Can people hear you? Or they cannot hear you? Okay. They cannot hear you, Mike. You need to mic up, Max. Yeah. Next round, let's mic him, Max up. But there is, okay, so the answer is there's some small minimal requirement balance for each token. Are you able to display what is the minimum amount?
Yeah, for USDT it's 20.
For USDT it's 20. It shows on there, on the thing, yeah? So if you need to find out what is the minimal amount, you can go there and check it out, okay? Okay, Jordan Crypto is also asking, can the flexible auto-save funds also keep funding the DCA bots? DCA bots is using the money from the trading account. Oh no, wait, from the funding account. So if oh no, because when you set a DCA, the money is already transferred into the bot, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So the logic, Jordan, is that when you have it, I actually use a DCA a lot. If you need to purchase like 10K of Ethereum with the DCA bot, that amount is transferred into the bot account underneath the system. You don't see it. So this is why it will already leave your funding account, so you will not be able to earn the yield, from that. Okay, because we need that available margin there. But maybe this is something we can develop. No, I think this is a good feature. Take a note. Let's take a note. Okay.
So I guess this is the product that's coming up next year then.
This is easy feature. We don't need next year. Come on, guys. This is easy. Max will make it happen by tomorrow. Just do an all-nighter and make it happen. No, just kidding.
So moving on to next topic is copy trading. One of the hottest topic that's going on right now, and a lot of users from other exchanges are coming to Bybit because Bybit copy trading is like leading the industry among all the exchanges. So here are some. Max, do we have any product review on this? Nice.
Yeah, we can demo on app.
So he's showing you his phone now.
Yeah.
Now he's doing a demo on the phone.
Yeah.
Right.
So we choose a master trader right now. Okay. And click the compare. No.
Compare. Where is the compare?
The left bottom.
So basically,
Bottom left.
Bottom
Okay.
left.
yeah. So basically now you can compare different master traders to see
Yeah.
which master trader is
Yeah.
most suitable for your risk appetite or the trading strategy.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. And this way you can have a personalized ranking on which master trader you want to follow, or you can follow multiple master traders at once and set the preference, if I'm correct, right? Next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Set the ones that you like and you always want to follow depending on the market situation.
Yeah.
So for example, if the market is pumping, set the master trader who is more higher in the risk appetite, and that's how you can really good product.
Yeah.
So this compare function is something just came live. Yeah.
Yep.
Very good.
But only on app now.
Only on the mobile app.
Yeah.
So this is first. By the way, Bybit had this app first initiative, meaning that a lot of the new features will come to the app first and then gradually implement to the browser. Previously, we always had browser first and then app first. But we've noticed a lot more users on the app now, so we are pushing towards app first and then mobile. Well, we try to push both at the same time, but when there has to be a priority, we push to the app first.
So
Okay?
download the app.
Download the app.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What are some of the other new features? This is the one we want to talk about for copy trading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only one.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
By the way, for copy trading, we also have some kind of bonus, right?
Yeah.
They
yeah,
can
yeah.
try it only for copy trading. Yeah.
Yeah, please screen my phone. Yeah. As you can see on the homepage, 100 USD for newbies.
Yeah, 100 USDT loss coverage, meaning that if you're you can lose up to 100
For your first order.
for your first order, for your first copied
Yeah.
master trader. Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. All right, guys. So if you haven't tried, I think Bybit is now one of the most popular copy trading platform, and we do have a lot of good signals. We even have signals from like AI or trading tools partners like 3 Commas and all these guys, and also master traders signals. Okay, so do check it out if you don't have it. Okay, can we go back to the screen? Thank you.
Yeah. Our next topic is our P2P and fiat update. So basically now to increase to increase the trustworthiness of some of our P2P players, we've decided to implement a P2P advertiser levels. That's hard to pronounce. So beginner, regular, and veteran. So
Okay.
our VIP users will immediately start at veteran level. So if you are a big volume or high,
No, start at a beginner level. Beginner level.
yeah. So by default, everyone starts at the regular, and the more volume that you do, you'll be going up in ranking, and that's how your counterparty will be able to tell that you are someone reliable and they can do the deal with. The next topic is our.
We have a demo as well
We have a demo as well. Perfect.
for the advertiser levels.
Yeah.
So this is our P2P. If you need to buy tokens through peer-to-peer, and you can become a verified advertiser. I guess this is more for the vendors, right?
Yes.
The vendors themselves. So you can apply and then you can go through there, yeah?
If you want to promote yourself, try it.
Right. If you are a vendor, you want to be, promote yourself and compete, you can do that. Okay?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's go back.
Yep. And then on the fiat side, now users can buy ZTX, PPT, POR, Beam, and TUSD with their credit cards and P2P. Yeah.
Okay, what is ZTX? I'm gonna challenge you here because I have no idea what that is. Max, what is ZTX?
The
Can
thing
someone
is, I
Google
actually
it?
searched up. But
Is that a currency or what is it? Zimbabwe or something? What is it?
Is the coin.
Oh, it's a coin.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it was a fiat currency. Okay. It's a coin.
Yeah, all these are coins.
Yes.
But the project itself is also called ZTX.
Okay, very good. I guess there's a demand for it. That's why we listed, right?
Yeah. And to further ensure that the users have good experience on Bybit when they're doing P2P, to minimize the scam experience, what we did is, can we go to the next slide, please? What we did is we've included a risk reminder for each step of the P2P, so that in every step the users are taking, the users know what are the potential risks for that particular step. And our customer support is always ready to help you. However, the customer support will also have a reminder on the risk part, so that the users are aware. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah. Next product we will be giving update on is our spot.
What's happening on the spot?
First of all, we have an introduction token splash. It's basically a new way for the users to receive an airdrop for the coins that will be listing on Bybit.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty interesting. You can find out more on our website. The next one is our launchpad. This is the main reason why you have to become Bybit VIP. VIPs get extra chances to win USDT allocation based on the lottery basis.
Oh, I think we have a few good launchpad coming up. I think the market is pumping and projects are getting exciting to list themselves. We do have a few launchpads prepared, yeah?
Yeah.
Did we make any announcement on what's next one? Do you know? Or they haven't made an announcement yet?
Maybe they are cooking it.
They're cooking it. Okay. So, all right, guys, they're cooking it. So we will announce it soon. But I know from my understanding, there's a few coming up. Very exciting. Okay. Yeah.
And Bybit Lending. So Bybit Lending is.
Bybit Lending is on a historical high APY. Let's do a demo.
Yep.
Guys, if you don't know what is Bybit Lending, because we upgraded to UTA, the Universal Trading Account. When people trying to use any other token to trade, let's say, USDT perpetual contract, they are actually, collateralizing their current token and borrowing USDT to trade that USDT pair. So there's always a constant demand for USDT, USDC, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, because those are inverse pairs, and we have USDC pairs. So that's where the interest comes from. So Bybit literally acts like a MakerDAO that automate the supply and demand. So if you go up and see, this is why you see high demand on AXX, because maybe a lot of people are using that as margin to trade on Bybit. And if you deposit your AXX now, you get a more than 13% APY, which is a pretty solid deal, right?
And it's paid out hourly basis.
And it's paid out hourly. These rates are also fluctuating and they're changing, but again, the interests are paid out hourly. So if you go back, I know recently the USDC, USDT has been pretty stabilizing,
Yeah,
right?
USDT is very juicy.
USDT is 6.3%. Previously, I think these are hourly. If you go, do you have daily interest rate?
Nope.
It went up to 8 or like 10%, I think, in the weekend
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Because there were a lot of people trading. So as long as there's market movement, there's more demand for the collateral, and if you leave your money there, it's pretty solid deal on APY. Okay, yeah, very good.
Yeah. Next one is our spot trading. So finally, our active orders can now be modified.
Oh man, this is a
Yeah.
long-asked function.
Yes.
So modify meaning that on the chart it can be dragged, right? Or is it?
I believe what it means is once you have a pending order, instead of canceling it, you can edit the pending order.
Okay.
Yes. So last time on our spot, it was not possible. We had very cool new products that were coming up, so those products were the higher priority. But now this has been something that many of our retail traders were asking.
Very
so
good.
it's been fixed.
Very good.
Yeah. So next topic is our Bybit card. Wow, Ben, this is one of the best products that Bybit has released.
You used?
Of
use
course
every
I
time?
use it.
Very good.
Of course I use it. It's very hard for me to cash out my crypto assets. Not difficult, but it's just that very troublesome. And P2P sometimes is very lazy. But whenever I go overseas, I just tap this, everything goes off. Sometimes whenever my trading piano is green in color, and I just use that to cash out by Bybit card as well. So it's been pretty good. Yeah.
So what's the new feature? Multi-asset spend.
Yeah. So basically now you don't have to have balance on your primary one. And what it would do is it will use your different cryptocurrency balances. Yes.
Very good. All right, I have a question from Isaac asking when is it going to be available in Nigeria? Maybe soon. The problem with different countries is that they have different rules on the card. We need to find a bank that will be able to issue the card for us, right? So we actually got the license in South Africa, but I think Nigeria, we are still trying to explore. But Nigeria is one of the biggest market for Bybit in Africa. And this is something we're desperately looking into, okay? All right, what's next?
Web3. So Bybit,
We're launching a new IDO.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, so this is pretty exciting because the last launchpad, actually most of the users
It's not
did,
Launchpad, it's IDO.
Oh,
It's
IDO.
very different than Launchpad.
Yes.
Yeah.
So most of the users actually did a 4x profit after
Okay.
the silver or after other centralized exchanges listed. So Bybit has been historically very good because most of these big projects likes to come to Bybit first, and then other exchanges will list. So those users who are in Bybit who participate in IDO, they usually make profit. Yes. So that has been pretty interesting. And Bybit Web3 staking is 21 staking pools launched in Q3, and more will be coming in Q4. So if you have many altcoins that you want to stake, come to Bybit. Yeah.
On our Web3, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah. Next topic, moving on to options.
Okay. Move on to options.
Oh, yeah. I believe this is the Web3 staking options that they have.
Yeah. So this is purely on-chain. You just move your money to the Web3 wallet and then you can stake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Next one is options. So the first one is migrating from USD index to USDC index. So some of those users, when they're trading options, they face the risk whereby USD and USDC spread. Sometimes it can widen. So to minimize that, what we have done is setting USDC for both quoting and settlement.
Yeah. So basically the index price now is changed from from USD to USDC.
Yes.
I guess this is more of an impact to especially institutions that are currently trading on Bybit option. And this is a good news for them to navigate the risk.
Yep.
Okay? Yeah.
And to welcome more users to be trading on Bybit for the options, we will be making our options easier by providing informed trades based on the market expectations.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is upcoming, so we don't have the full product feature that we can show you guys yet. However, tune in for our next one, and hopefully the product will be ready for everyone to see.
I have a question from Gold Class Miracle. Is why most Bybit Web3 IDO is on Ethereum layer 1. To be honest, we don't choose. It's the project. If they are launching on layer 1, we have to go with the layer 1. Yeah. I assume most projects go layer 1 because it's got the most clients, and it's really the user base type of question, right? Again, IDO is a completely on-chain transaction. It doesn't touch the Bybit centralized server or the centralized wallet. It only uses the Bybit Web3 wallet, which is a completely decentralized solution on the IDO side. So for that, the project decides where they where they launch. Previously, there had been some like BSC launches, but I think still Ethereum Layer 1 is one of the most popular. Okay, what's next?
Right. Now we're moving up to our upcoming events and the events that we have done. The first one is upcoming Bybit 5th anniversary. Wow.
Oh, 5 years.
5 years.
End of the year.
Wow, amazing, amazing. So we will have a amazing trading competition with 1 million prize pool and with the product offers, social media giveaways, and secret NFT collection that will be coming your way. So do tune in because this is going to be big.
Yeah, Bybit it's been 5 years now. We went through quite a lot of up and downs. A lot of things happened, but we're still here strong. Yeah, so thank you for the support. But I think this 5-year anniversary is going to be pretty exciting. One question from Bubble is asking if any NFT works going to be produced by Bybit for the 5th anniversary NFT. Anniversary. I think yes, the NFT team is cooking up some cool NFTs. I think probably going to talk about it next. Yeah. Or
I don't think it will be sharing that today.
Oh, okay. But
yes.
We are cooking something.
Yes.
On the NFT selections. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay. What's next?
Yeah. Next one is our options event. Oh, so basically this is amazing because there are many traders who are trading options that are looking for exchanges to trade with the lowest fees. So now with this event, the options level up event, the taker fee starting VIP 4 will be reduced by 33% and VIP 5 reduced by 20%. On the maker order, basically 1,000% discount. What I'm trying to say is there is going to be a maker rebate starting VIP 4. None of the exchanges, none of other options exchanges are providing this feature. So this is going to be very big. And if you are looking for an exchange to trade options in a big volume, come to Bybit. You will even be receiving rebates on the options.
Very good.
Yeah. The next one is the options lucky draw. So basically, all the users who come and trade options for the first time on Bybit, on your the first 500 users will be receiving $10 loss, if I'm correct. But it says get up to 100 USDT. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. More products, more updates will be available on our blog. Yeah. Next is our VIP, the trading competition, more in details. $1 million in prize pool and accumulated up to $10 million for the series. So we will be...
Oh, yeah, it's a whole year-long thing.
Yeah.
And it's like you do it month by month, and eventually there's a massive prize pool going. And this is for the VIP guys, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
A lot of emphasis for the VIP clients.
Oh yeah, and we are hosting next year, year-end gala, and to all of our VIP clients, and all the winners will be able to get a ticket and invited. We will fly you in wherever we're gonna do it. We actually haven't decided yet, but registration is happening now, and the competition period is shown as the first series this month. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Next is our Bybit institutional. We have seen a noticeable increase in our institutional clients choosing Bybit. I believe it's also to do with how safe Bybit really is.
Yeah, and not only safe is the account, is the margin system, it's the account design, it's the UTA. Bybit actually have pretty much all the global institutions trading on our market, and I think we're actually doing a few things. The institution team is going out more to talk and educate the market about institutions and how centralized exchange play our roles in terms of the whole trading environment. And I actually have another show with Eugene, who you see in the picture here, to talk to our institutions and get to know them and kind of discuss their trading strategies and things like that. So if you are interested in that, you can go to the Bybit YouTube channel to see these shows. where we interview our partners and our institutions on many things. Yeah. So cool. I think these are all some of the cool updates from the institution team about in the past months.
Yeah, I think even in Singapore during the Token 2049, we had the event with Fireblocks and other institutions as well. So that was pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. So next event is Earn product. So the one that double win product that Ben has already gone through. The first loss, Bybit will cover up to $10. Basically, try out the product, and if you like it, I think it can be pretty useful during the volatile market time for you to consider in your trading strategy. Next one is the P2P Discovery Bash. So basically, go to our blog, register, and you can receive $12. And I believe 30,000 is the total amount that we are giving away for our users to try out the product. Yeah. Next is our copy trading. Ben has already disclosed, shared the
first one,
campaign. Yeah, $100 loss on the first loss. And then we do have a copy trading referral whereby the users, if you invite your friends, you can receive up to 1,020 USDT and 1 Ethereum. Yeah, so pretty good. Next is our NFT.
NFT, I need to talk about this.
Yes.
Because we made a whole series of NFT with the Oracle Red Bull Racing team. We're the sponsor and we work with them. We released beginning of the year Velocity Pass, and it's like a whole series of it's an NFT, but you get a series of drops of NFTs and all this, and it's got a bunch of really interesting, cool artists, like really famous NFT artists, and then these people will get the drop. It's a super cool NFT, and I think even during this bear market, it was sold out, and it was sold out for almost 300 Ethereums, and it became kind of the thing to talk about, yeah. So, whoever bought it in the very initial launch definitely made some gains, but most importantly, collect some really cool art through this whole process. Yeah.
Wow, Ben, I've been in Bybit for 4 years, but I'm not given an alpha to buy this kind of NFT
there's
first.
No alpha in that. You need to go OpenSea and or Bybit NFT to get
Loyal employee, please remember me. Yeah. The next one is our partnership with MIBR. Maybe Ben, you can.
MIBR is this e-gaming team that we partner with, right? And they're one of the largest in Brazil, and they are also dropping some NFTs. So the goal for us is that when it comes to partners and sponsorships, a lot of people ask me like, Ben, what is the Bybit view? Is that we want to bring value to the table by having Bybit as a partner or a sponsor. You have to actually be able to embrace Web3. And this is why we are working with Red Bull Racing, we're working with MIBR, all these companies to really push the boundaries to see if we can, adapt more into Web3. And these are the things we did. So I think next year there's a lot more things coming, and even towards the end of the year. But the NFT team has done a really good job, and kudos to the team. I think it's really cool.
Yeah. So the next one, which is the last topic actually, for Bybit Card, just to add on, there is a cashback system campaign for this month if you're shopping in your supermarket. So if you're buying grocery products for your upcoming Christmas celebration with your family, then you'll be receiving 5% cashback, as well as we are giving 25 euros in bonuses for you to switch over from other crypto cards to Bybit Card. So if you're recently looking for a new crypto exchange for you to use your crypto assets on your daily expenses, come to Bybit. We will give you 25 euros plus 5% cashback. And just to add on to what Ben has mentioned, 8% staking if your assets are unutilized on Bybit.
We have a client also, Gold Class Miracle, asking about your jacket. This jacket is also NFT. It's the NFT we made with Azuki.
Oh.
Right?
Where's the Azuki?
Where's the Azuki? Oh no, it was one of the Azuki thing. This one is the number of the NFT, I think.
Yeah.
But then we made some jackets, right? And
modeling.
Yeah. So it's a cool jacket.
Yeah.
How do I get one? contact your account manager. I don't know if you have account manager or not.
Become VIP on Bybit. We will send you one.
You get one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we go to the what is it? The Q&A or
Yeah,
what is it?
so we have the crypto quiz challenge that we did from November 1 to November 3rd. Many users actually answered some of our questions. We have 10 lucky winners. We have the UIDs. We will be updating you for the rewards by email as well as a push-up notification. So do check your email to see whether you won. If you happen to be a crypto nerd and you remember exactly what your UID is, maybe you can guess here whether you won it or not. Yeah. So for now, this is all the topics that we prepared for today.
Okay, we go to the last. We'll pick a few questions from the audience today, and let's answer them.
Yeah.
One of them is gaming with Anshun asking, what is my motivation to release the feature like Perp Protect? Max, can we demo Perp Protect? Do you have Perp Protect on your phone? Perpetual Protect I think it's on the phone.
Let me check.
Yeah, it's you go to perpetual contract and then you place the order, and then I think you will be able to release the protect order. It's what it's protect. It's the feature that we released. So if you have a position with perpetual contract, you can actually design to protect it with a option. We designed it like a insurance, so that it's you can actually set up. Where is it per protect? Do you know, Max?
No, it's not for this one. Let me check.
I think it's where is it on the phone or is it on the mobile? Per protect.
Maybe it's not work on my phone now.
Yeah. Okay. I think I'm not sure if you're Android or
Maybe
Apple.
perhaps we did a beta release for some users first.
No. I think we released for everyone. We need to find out, Max. Yeah,
Okay.
We'll come back to this question. But what this feature did is, if you have an opening position, you can actually enable a perp protect to protect your position, opening position. And if your opening position gets liquidated, you have like an insurance to pay you back the initial margin and all of that. But of course, if the direction go right, you make a profit, and instead you pay a fee for the per protect, just like insurance, right?
Yeah.
We also have what question? Skiddy asking roll up. Yeah. Will there be Christmas events that won't require trading volume? I think we do have events always that don't require trading volume.
We do.
AUM, like Bybit Earn, we now have a lot of product.
Yeah.
I'm sure copy trading will have some kind of events going on. And I'm sure that we have so many like bots, these type of things. It's not really trading volume based. So stay tuned for that, and we'll present something. Okay. Okay. So.
Yeah, but then I think we might be running on our time.
Okay.
So yeah, perhaps since we don't have time to answer the remaining questions, it might be better we pick up the questions in our next live stream. So we will accumulate all the questions that everyone has submitted, and then we will go through in our next live stream.
Very good. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. And stay tuned. We'll see you next month, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
You forgot the...